Hello everyone, James here from 360 Hub Digital. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website free of charge. Let's say you are a startup and you want a website but you cannot afford to hire a web developer. Or you have maybe one product that you want to market but you need a website for it. And the prices to design a website, host and all that is really expensive for you and you don't know how to do that. Or you just want a website that you can manage yourself so that everything you do it yourself. You can always make changes anytime without nobody telling you that we can't do it now, we'll do it tomorrow. Something that you can control yourself completely. This is the video for you, right? You can design or create your own website free without paying a dime. All right, so to get started, what you want to do is to click the link in the description below that says 360hub.club/recommend/create a free website. Once you click that, this will take you to Get Response. The reason why we're using Get Response is because it is a place where you can design a website that really showcases your brand, that looks lovely. There are other tools that you can use to create a free website online, but they might not look as lovely as the ones you create with Get Response. Get Response free website is absolutely stunning. You will love them for your free website, right? But it's not for complicated website that has a lot of functionality. You need a web developer for that. But for a regular simple website that you need for your business, you don't have the budget for a web designer, this is the best route to go. All right, now once you are here on Get Response account, I've clicked the link in the description below. This will give you a free access to get a free account. Once you click on create a free account, you'll be taken to where you enter your name, your email, and that is it. You activate your account from the email sent to your account. Or you can click here, sign up free here to enter your name, email, and create your account. A mail will be sent to your email account you use for creating the account, and you will activate your account free of charge, right? But if you want to see the video on how to do that, you can check the top right of this video. You will see a pop-up link there on how you can sign up here. Right, so now what you want after creating your account, what you want to do is log in. Now once you log in, it will take you right to this section, your dashboard. Often they will give you option to walk you through the account. Just skip it and get to this section, the dashboard of your account. One thing that you want to do is to come to tools, because you want to create a free website. So you click on tools and you will see email marketing. The good thing about this account is you have access to email marketing as well, free. What it means is you can upload your email contact, your contact of your customers, emails and phone numbers or emails and names, and upload them to Get Response and start sending them newsletter promoting your services free of charge. You know that email marketing highly help with great conversions, as it increases your conversion, right, and boosts sales a lot. Right now, you can see what we want to do is create a free website, but you can see just below it landing page. Landing page is just a single web page. Let's say you don't want to create multiple pages, you just want a single web page to showcase your product and services. If that is what you want, there's a video in the description below on how to create a free landing page on the same platform. Or you can look at the top right of this screen right now. You will see the video on how to create a landing page. If that's what you need, just click on that and start creating your landing page. But for a standard website that has a home page about all services and all that, what you want to do is click on website builder. So you click on website builder, and that will take you to where you make a choice of how you want to create your website, right? So let's let this load. Now when this opens, you see this option. You can either click create website here, or you can click create website here. So you click here. Now once you click that, it will give you these two options. So use a ready-made template. That's option 1. Option 2 is use an AI powered builder. I don't always want to use this. The reason why you don't want to use this is because the AI builder is going to design something nice for you, but it's just going to be maybe one template, right? But use a ready-made template has hundreds of templates that you can choose from. But this doesn't have that. But once you choose this, you can choose from a large collection of templates that fits your brand, the one that usually fits your brand, the one you like, and represent what you are doing. So you can choose from that. So I want you to click here. Once you click that, it will bring you to this section where you have a collection, a large collection of templates. You can see a lot of templates, a lot. So what you have to do is just take your time to go through the template and see the one that fits your brand. Let's say, for example, you are into pizza, right? You can see this. There's already a pizza template here. What you want to do is hover on it, and you will see the preview, say full site preview. You click on it. Once you click on it, the site is going to open so that you see how it will look like after you design it. Now you can look at it and see the way it will look like, right? You can see how it looks like. Then if the template is what you like, if that is the kind of template that you like for your business, all you have to do is click use template, and you can start designing with that, right? But if you don't want it, what you want to do is see this arrow here, you click on it and you leave there, and you can start looking for another template. What is important is look for the right template that you like, that is befitting for your business, that represent your brand the way you want it to represent your brand, right? But for this purpose of this training, I'm just going to go to a section, or you can go to categories and look for the category that your business belongs to. You can see different categories here. And you can see plus 22 other categories. If you click on this, for example, you will see all the categories: jobs and education, law and government, online, community, and all that, right? And for this purpose, I'm going to click on business and industry and look for a template that might be okay for any purpose. Okay, like a template like this looks okay for any template. So what you want to do is hover on it and click preview. And once you click preview, you can see the template in action. So you want to look at it. Is this what you want for your business, right? Is this kind of template that you want, right? The reason why I'm looking at this is because I feel that it can represent any business very well, right? But for e-commerce might not be so. So you look for the one that is right for you. But the process of designing is the same. Once you go through this video, you're able to design any kind of site free using lovely pre-made template, right? So you can see how the template look like, right? Now you see how it looks like. Let's say you want to go with this. What you want to do is click use template, or you can cancel this out and come here and click on use template here, right? Let's say you don't want this. Let's say you want something like this, or you want something like this, or you want this one. What you want to do is just click preview like we did just now. All right, so we'll go ahead and click use this template. This will take us to the builder where we will now design the template to fit our brand, right? Now, the first thing you want to do is a logo. If you don't have a logo for your business, you need to create one. And you can just go to Google, type free logo maker, and click any of these sites to design your logo. It's very simple. You do it, get it done in minutes, right? After designing your logo, you get back here and hover on this. Once you click on this section, you will see the picture of your logo on the right hand side. You can see it here. Now, if you hover on this, you will see the option replace. So you can click on that so that you can change the logo to what you want. So you click on add file at the top there. Now, once you click on add file, you will see this option to select file from your computer. So you click on that. Click on that. You select, I'm just going to show you how to select this. Select any logo that you have created from your computer and click on add. Click on add file and wait for the file to be added. You can see that the file has been added, and this is the file. So once you hover on it, you will see use. So you click on use and wait for this to be loaded. You can see the logo is already loaded to your template. Now it looks a bit small, so you want to make it a bit bigger. So you put your mouse on this and stretch it out a little bit to make the logo legible, right? So you can see that the logo is okay now. Now we'll go ahead with the design. Another thing that you want to do after the logo is, let's say you want to change your introduction, right? The introduction is very critical to your website success. What is your business about? You want to say something that will endear customers to your website, right, or to your business. So all you will have to do is click on this. Once you click on this, you can type anything you want. Right, so let me just say leading digital marketing agency in New York, for example. Let's say this is the name I want to choose for the heading of the site, right? the most important thing is make sure that the title, is something that is captivating, something that has like a value proposition, right? That can cause viewers to easily identify with your business or to like what you do. If you are offering, if you are selling a product, let what you are offering be on the heading as much as you can. Can just put what you are offering there. If you are offering a discount 10% off this July for every purchase of XYZ, right? So make sure that the heading is something that is the right heading, or it cannot be your company name. Welcome to your company. You put your company name, right? So it depends on what you are comfortable with. But make sure that you are not writing something that is not good for your business, right? Okay, so what you want to do is you can also change the font size, right? Let's say this is the heading. You can change it to, you can see the font size here. You can change it to another font size by highlighting the text and clicking on that. Let's change it to 60, for example. You see that it's much smaller. I can even change it to, let's say 50 something, 52. You can see it's now much smaller, right? So it depends on the text that you're comfortable with, text size you're comfortable with. Now, if you want to make the section of the color pop and make it more lively, for example, you can more enticing, you can decide to change this color, this digital marketing agency, or you can change New York color. Let's say you want to change that of digital marketing agency. What you want to do, you see font color here. You want to click on that. When you click on that, you choose a color. For example, I want to use this same green. So I click on the green. That changes. You see, it looks nice, right? So it depends. If you are comfortable with doing that, you can do that. Then you come to the subheading. What kind of subheading do you want to add to your site, right? Look at your competitors. What are your competitors doing? What are the big brands in your industry doing? Look at their website and get ideas from there. That is simple. The research means that you are searching what has been researched before or what has been done before, right? So go to their website, look at what they are doing, get ideas from there to form your heading, right? Now your call to action is extremely important. What action do you want people to take? Are you giving free consultation? Do you want them to get a free quote? Do you want them to contact you on WhatsApp? So you click on this and decide your call to action. You must tell your prospect or customer what to do here. So for example, let's say you are giving a free quote. You say get a free quote. When you say get a free quote, that means you are giving out a free quote. Then you add the link here. We'll come to this later. There's the way to get your link. You see, let's say your free quote is linked to your contact page. After we publish it, I will show you how to copy your link and just come here and paste it here so that people can easily click there and to be linked directly to your contact page where there's a form for them to fill to contact. Let's say you want this to be free consultation, same thing. You type it here. If you want them to call you, you can just say call, add your number here, it will show. Let's say you want them to contact your WhatsApp, same thing, order on WhatsApp or get in touch on WhatsApp, or anyhow you want to phrase the test, the call to action test. Then you put your WhatsApp link right here, same process, right? After doing that, let's say this image, you're not comfortable with this image, you want to change this background image. So what you want to do is hover on this, click on the background, you will see this, click on it, then you will see the image picture here. Click on replace, then click on add files to change the image to the image that you want. Now after that, you want to click on select a file from your computer. And you look at the images here. Let's say, for example, I like to use this image. So what I want to do, or I want to use this, what I want to do is just click on it and click on add the file. Once you click on add, it's going to be uploaded to this platform. You wait for it to be uploaded. Now it's uploaded. What you want to do is wait for it to fully show. It's still being uploaded. So you can see that the image is uploaded. Once you hover on it, like the logo case, you see use. So you click on use. Once you click on use, it will change this image to the one you uploaded. And you can see that the text are no longer legible. The reason is that the image opacity is at 100%. So you need to drag it down to hover on this, hold this mouse and drag it down to reduce. So you go to click on this and drag this down to what is comfortable with you. So like 15, let's say 20. 20, I prefer 20. So 20 is comfortable. I like the way it is. Now, let's say you don't want this color as the button, so you can always change the color of the button. Right? Let's say you decide to go with a different color for the button. So what you simply want to do is click on more styles. So if you click on more styles, you see other form of, you can see red, you can see different colors that you can easily use for that button to change the color, right? So that's basically how you change the color of your button if you're not comfortable with it, right? So after doing this, what you want to do is come back to this section. This is another section of the page. Look at it and see what you want, which text do you want to add here. And remember, I said go to your competitors and see what they are doing, because this is the first time you are doing this, right? You need to learn from those who are successful in your business and follow their steps for you to be as successful as well. So you look at what they are doing, get ideas from there, enter the right information here by just clicking this section and start typing what you want, right? You can say get 50% off on all purchases this summer, right? Let's say, for example, this is what I want. This is what is comfortable with what I'm promoting currently, or this is what applies to what I'm promoting currently. So I'll type this here. If I want to add other tests, I can add. Let's say I want to add a smaller test, right? Let's say I want to say offer valid till a certain date, and I don't want it to be bold as this. What I want to do is come to this section that says plus, click on plus, and drag this here as a section, right? Now, once you drop it there, this will open this window for you to add a section, a kind of section that you want, right? It can be this kind of section. You just go through it and click it to add that section, right? More on this later. All right, now, after changing this, what you want to do is come here and start editing this section as well. For example, this will be your services or products. This is product 1. If you click on this, you see change the image. You just same process, replace the image, double click on this, change the text to, let's say, iPhone 15. Let's say we are selling product iPhone 15, for example. Same thing goes, change the product here, change the image, change the product image, change the title, then change the text by double clicking on it and typing the text that you want, right? If you want to make the text bold, you should do the same thing here. So you click here by clicking this bold, text become bold, right? So the same process goes there. This section 2, let's say you want to say 270 customers, 550 projects, depending on what you want to write here. Now, if you don't want this section, what you want to do is hover on the section icon and just delete it. Now, once you delete it, that section goes off. Now you see this section, same process. Click on it and edit it to how you want it. Click on the call to action, edit it to how you want it. That is how you get to design. Let's say you have gone through the homepage, you have designed the homepage, but you still want more sections. You want to add more elements. What you want to do is come to this plus icon here. Let's want to add it at the bottom. You drag a section. So you drag the section. And let's say you want to add it here or at the bottom, you drop it there to bring this out. Now you go through this, like I said before, and look for the kind of section you want to add. You want to add an image and text, right? If this is what you want, you click on this and you see that it has been added, right? To change the image is to click on the image and replace it. Just same process. Or you click on the text to edit the text. Same thing with this. Same thing with call to action button. Now you edit this to what you want. Let's say I want to change this image to something else. I will just click on replace, like have been said before. Let's say I want to use this image. I will just click on that. And the image changes, right, to the image I just uploaded. So you can change anything that you want, and you can add more elements. For example, you can add images, videos. Let's say I want to add a video, right? So what I want to do is drag this here and drop it here in this section. I want to add a video to this, the bottom of this image, right? So once I drop it here, then I will click on this icon. Once you click on this icon, you will see video link. Now you want to add a video. The video has to be from YouTube, from Vimeo, or any site that hosts videos. So let's go to youtube.com Go to youtube.com and just pick a video from YouTube to demonstrate this. Now, you want to add your business video. Let's say this is your business video. You have uploaded it to YouTube. You want to copy the video link, right? This video link. Close this out. Then come here and paste the video link right here where it says video link. I'll click in the video module or elements. So you paste the video link here and you click OK. See OK here? Click OK so that GetResponse can pull the video from YouTube. You can see the video right on your side. That means visitors can easily play the video from your website, right? So it's a business video you want to use to advertise your business. Let's say you want the video to be the first thing here, right? After this above the fold design, right? Let's say the video is what you want here. So what you want to do, you just come to the plus and put a section and add your video. It's as simple as that. Right now, after you are done with the home page, let's say you are truly done with the home page, you're happy with it, you want to save it if you like. So you can save the home page and wait for it to save. All right, so the home page has been saved. Right now that the home page has been saved, you want to go to other pages. Remember, we have case study, we have theme, we have contact. So you come to this section where you see home with a drop down icon, click on it. You will see case study page. So you click on case study page for it to be loaded. Now this is the case study page. What do you want here? Right? It might not be that you want case study. It might be that you want to name it services. So just go ahead and enter your services information. So you can now introduce, change the write-up to what you want. Again, visit your competitors, people who are doing better than you in the niche already, in the business already. See what they are doing. See what is in their services, how their services page is presented. See their website. Then try to do the same here, right? So what you want to do is enter the necessary information you want to enter. If you want to enter a picture of a service and enter the details about the service here, do the same thing here, do the same thing here by just clicking, replacing, clicking, and editing, right? So that's how you want to edit this page completely. Now, after you are done with this page, let's say you are turning to a service page. Don't worry about the title. We'll change the title later. Now, you decide that you are done with this, then you head to the next page, right? You click on this arrow again, you go to theme page. Let's say you want to turn the theme page to our About Us page, right? You can now delete everything here, or you want to maintain this as a theme page. You click on the picture, you know the process, replace. Click on the text, change the name, John Smith, for example. So it depends on the name of your team. If you want to showcase your team, so you change everything here, social icons and everything. Now, after you have changed everything here, excuse me, if you are sticking with theme, if you are going with About Us, you just add a section. You can delete what is here. You can hover on this, delete it, and add a section, right? The element that you prefer to be for your About Us, you just drag it and drop it. For example, you want to drag this section here, for example, and you want to delete that. If you drag that section there, and you want to look at which write-up will be good for your About, how will your About Us be? You prefer something like this, you click on that. You can go through and look at everything that is here. You can browse this side. Let's say you are comfortable with this. You want to click on that. That becomes a part of the About Us, right? Then you cannot delete all this that you have if you are not using team members, right? Can add can add as much section as you want to the About Us section. Then after doing that, what you want to do is click save, so that you save that section as well. After saving that section, what you want to do is go to another section. You want to go to Contact Us and see whether it's the way you want to see the Contact Us page. This is the form that people will fill. For example, if you add this link to your quote button call to action, right? Now you look at it, enter the message you want, say kindly fill the short form below. If that's what you want, type it, kindly fill the short form below to contact us, or whatever you want to add there, right? You can just change this heading to contact us. Do it the way you want. Mind you, always look at your competitors to see what they are doing so that you modify yours and you will do it better, right? So now after designing your contact page, you see that everything is okay. What you want to do is head back to the home page. So we're going back to the home page, and this is the home page. Now what we want to do is the link. We want to change the link. Let's say you change this to services, you change this to About Us. Now you want to name it properly. So what you want to do is click on this section. Once you click on this, you will see this icon here that says manage pages. So you want to click on manage pages. Now, let's say this becomes your services page. So you hover on this icon here, the settings icon, and click on settings. When you click on settings, you can change this to services or our services. Our services. Now this becomes your services page because you have already entered the services page content. Go to the SEO section of it, enter another title. You can enter another title, SEO optimized title, enter a description, social media icon access, and all that. Access means that it is free to everybody to see the page, or you want it passworded. You can password the page and it be given to only people with the password, right? So after entering that, you can cancel it. You can see that it's now service page. Now let's say you want to change this to about us. You already enter about us content on that page. You want to come here to theme and go to settings and change to about us, right? Same process. You cancel this ad and it becomes about us. Now you want in your navigation after home, you want it to be about us first before services. So what you want to do is hover on this, drag it to the section. You see it becomes about us, services, the contact. And let's say you want to add more pages. All you have to do is hover on this and click on duplicate to duplicate the page and enter the title and design it. Let's say you want another page called gallery. You want another page called want to list all your services in different pages. So you go ahead and create pages, or you just come here and click add a new page, right? So it's as simple as that. After doing that, and seeing that your site is okay, what you want to do next is to preview the site and see whether it's looking really lovely. Now what you want to do is click on this, and once you click on the preview, this will give you a preview of how your site will look like. Now you can wait and let it load. You can see that your site is, every change you have made, you can visualize it and see how it is, right? You can see how it looks like. You can see the section that the extra section that we added. The video is here and it's loading. You will see it in a bit, right? So you can go through every section of the site and see how it looks like, right? So after you have previewed the site, what you want to do is click on connect domain, right? Don't worry about it, just click on it. And wait for this to be published. You can see that your site is almost ready. Now, what you want to do is title your site. What's the name of your site? So it has to be the name of your business. For example, I will say 360 Consulting. Let's say that is the name of my business, right? So you enter the name of your business. Then here you enter the same thing. 360 Consulting. Right, so the URL now becomes https 360consulting dot get response. This GR means get response web.site. This is short and concise. Or you can click the drop down and choose this getresponsewebsite.com. Then or choose this if you are in Europe, getresponseweb.eu, right? So this will become the URL, right? So we'll leave it at the first option. That is good enough. Then what you want to do is click on publish. So you click on publish. And wait for it for the site to be published. Now your website is published, right? So you can take a look at the site. If you right click on this, open a new tab, you will see your site is up and live. Now if you look at it, the changes that you make, you will see everything. You can see the extra picture we added, this section. You can easily edit it. You can see the video that we added for test purposes, right? So you can add anything that you want. You go to the about section. Once you can count on that, your website with GetResponse is going to load extremely fast, right? Because fastness of a website is one of the key things that determine website ranking factors. So it's going to be extremely fast to load. Go to services section. You see everything will load lovely, right? You can see your all the pages, all the content, anything you have done, you will see the differences here. You can just preview everything that you have done. Look at it, whether everything is in order. You can go back to home, see that your site is okay. Now, another thing that you want to do is the call to action button. You know they were not linked. Now you want to add a link to the call to action button. How do you add a link so that visitors can click and fill a form of, let's say you want to add the link within the website. If you were adding a contact us on WhatsApp or order on WhatsApp, you would have added it. But you want, let's say you're adding a link to the contact page for people to fill the form. Once they fill this form, you have an email alert immediately that you have a new lead, right? And it will be stored in your email marketing list that you can easily send a newsletter to, right? So what you want to do is copy the link. Right click on it and copy the link, or copy it from here after opening the page, that particular page, right? When you grab the link, what you want to do is right click on this, open a new tab, click it directly to take you to the site again where you can edit it. You can always edit it anytime you want. Once you come to your site, come to Tools site, you will come here, Tools, and Website Builder, you will come to your site section. So you can easily edit your site anytime. So once you come here, you can now add the link. So you click on this section, this call to action section, and you see where you say URL, you can just paste the link there. So that link becomes the target link for the call to action button. Same thing for this section. Let's say this link is about us or learn more, and you want it to lead to services page. So what you want to do is copy the services link and get back here and click on this link and paste the link here. Right now, after you have done what you want to do, you just click on publish so that it will take effect. Right, so you wait for it to get published. Now it is published. Now if you refresh this link, and go to the home page. Once you get to the home page, you can see that it's already linked. If I click on get a free quote, it will take me to the contact page, right? So that is how you design your website step by step for free. Design your website for free using GetResponse, and it will not cost you any money, right? If this video helps you in any way, what you want to do is to subscribe to this channel so that when we release a video like this on how to market your product, market your services, you will get notified. If you want to read a comprehensive guide on how to promote your business online using diverse channels, you see the link in the description below. If you want to follow a test and video guide on how to create a website on WordPress by yourself, you check the link in the description below. Also, see you in the next video.